Good morning. This is Srinivas. This is the continuation of grade 9 physics, chapter 9, continuation of law of conservation of momentum. So, let us derive the conservation momentum. Suppose there are two bodies A and B. Both objects collide with each other. Let us see before collision, let the mass of first body, that is yellow color one, be m1. Let its initial velocity be u1. If it is moving forward to our left, to our right, consider a blue body, another body having mass m2, having its initial velocity u2 and moving to the left towards yellow ball. After collision, mass remains same. The mass of yellow body is m1 and velocity is v1 because velocity changes after touching one another or colliding with one another. The velocity of the blue ball changes from u2 to v2 and its mass remains m2 as usual. So what is the initial momentum of the yellow ball before collision? m1 u1. What is the initial momentum of blue ball before collision? m2 u2. After collision, what is the final momentum of yellow ball? m2 m1 v1. What is the final momentum of a blue ball after collision? m2 v2. Initially, both the car and the truck were moving on road. So let us take car as yellow ball and truck as blue ball. So we have momentum of two bodies, m1 u1 and second body m2 u2. So what is the total momentum of those two bodies before collision? m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Now let's say that they collide with each other. When they collide, they both exert force on each other. After a while, they start moving with the different velocities v1 and v2. Final velocity that we already know, the total momentum after collision is m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Force exerted by each other on both on each other. So what is force? m2 into v2 minus u2 by t. That is ma. We know F is equal to ma m1 m2 into v2 minus u2 by t, and force exerted by the first body is m1 into v1 minus u1 by t. So from third law we know F12 is equal to F minus F21. Similarly, force exerted by car on truck is equal to minus of force exerted by truck on car. Putting values, we get m2 into v2 minus u2 by t is equal to minus of m1 into v1 minus u2 by t. So when we cancel t, both the denominators, we get m2 v2 minus m2 u2 is equal to minus m1 v1 minus m1 u1. Moving similar terms on similar sides, we get m2 v2 plus m1 v1 is equal to minus of, here bracket is missing, minus of m1 u1 plus m2 u2. So the total momentum, the final momentum is equal to minus of initial momentum. So P2 is equal to minus of P1. That is, momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. Hence, proved that sum of total momentum of system is always conserved. Have you noticed it is difficult for a fireman to hold a hose which ejects a large amount of water at high velocity? Fireman finds it difficult to hold a hose pipe because as water moves through it with certain action with a large velocity, in turn it produces large reaction. Have you seen a horse pulling a cart? A horse pulls a cart by action and reaction because they are equal and opposite and are acting on different bodies. That is, hence, that is horse pulling the cart. So it is pushing the land and moving forward. Coming to the screen, action is on ground and reaction is on the horse and cart. Reaction is greater than the friction and therefore the horse and cart moves forward due to an unbalanced force. So that's all for grade 9 chapter 9, force and laws of motion. Thank you.